Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also share on the price action to expect ahead of the Litecoin halving event. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And starting the video by sharing the next, that is the Litecoin halving countdown. At the time of this recording, we have 1 day, 20 hours, and 1 minute to the next Litecoin halving event. And this is an event that I'm expecting will bring about a lot of volatility in the markets. And getting back to the charts to give you my technical analysis on the Litecoin chart, at the time of this recording, we are holding above a key area of support at around the $91.35 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And you can see that yesterday we had a bit of a bounce and we tried to break above resistance at around the $95.25 mark. And you can see that we did not manage to break above that key area of resistance and we got rejected. And afterwards, we have been seeing a bit of a pullback here on the charts. And as long as Litecoin continues to hold above the $91.35 mark, I'm expecting another bounce ahead of the Litecoin halving event, where we can see a break above that key area of resistance at around the $95.25 mark with a successful retest. And then from that point, we can easily see Litecoin get above the $97 mark and also possibly get above the $100 mark in the next coming hours. We have also seen a breakout out of a chart pattern that we had been trading within, which is this triangle that we had been trading within, where we pushed the price of Litecoin to the apex of the triangle, giving us the breakout to the upper side. And the minimum target areas for the breakout lies at around the $112.43 mark, which is an area that we are yet to fully maximize. And there are chances that in case we continue gaining a lot of buying momentum and continue gearing up, we can easily see Litecoin fully maximize that minimum target area for the breakout out of this triangle that we have been trading within. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we have been breaking down in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum retracement area highlighted on the charts using this retarget area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and soon we can start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3. And all this is playing out after we fully maximized the formation of this wave 1, after seeing our low on the 14th of June, where you can see that we started gearing up impulsively, putting in place this 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $115 mark. And afterwards, we started a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2 and giving you minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $158.68 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Litecoin chart ahead of the Litecoin halving event. And if by any chance we see any selling pressure here on the chart, then I want to see Litecoin continue to hold above the $82.62 mark in case further breakdown continues. And as long as we continue holding above that key area of support, I'm still bullish and I will still be expecting higher prices in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Litecoin chart on the short term and also on the long term. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 50, that is the 62 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.